We're here at the 20th Annual Customer Experience Summit, which is the annual event put on by BPRO, the industry association for BPOs and the contact center industry here in Colombia. So you're with a company called WeKall.
Right.
WeKall is based in Cali, right?
That's right.
Wonderful. Tell me about WeKall. What is WeKall? What is your product? What do you guys do?
Well, we started our operation 2 years ago. Basically, we had all our operation of our software factory in Cali, Colombia. We are very focused in cloud. Mm-hmm. We had a PBS, telephony PBS into the cloud, and we had contact center as well. Fully Amazon Web Services software, based on software, fully cloud. Basically, we can launch an operation just in 10 days. Mm-hmm. We can launch 10,000 seats running our operation using our software.
What specifically does the software do?
For example, just for a company that needs a PBS, regular PBS, the big buses, all buses that you have in the front desk in your offices, in your company, basically we change it, all those stuff, and we put everything in the cloud. Mm-hmm. And now, for example, the people is connected into the offices with a regular phone, right? We can use our mobile or iPads, tablets, laptops, and you can choose to your clients and your suppliers, wherever, that you are still in your office, but you call to the office, but you can be here in Cartagena, ring your extension number, and basically that's it. We basically generate the opportunity to every company to be everywhere in every moment as you create a process transformation, digital transformation in your company, because now you can be for your clients and for your employees wherever they need it in the moment that you need it.
So it's a next generation contact center telephony software.
That's right.
Okay, so it's a cloud-based PBX.
That's right.
Wonderful. So tell me about the company itself. How old is the company? Who started it? How big are you? Give me an idea about. So you tell me what the company makes, but tell me about WeKall as a company and the people behind the company.
Basically, we are a startup. We began our operation 2.5 years. We are almost 100 employees. Basically, we are growing. From the beginning, we grow every month. Mm-hmm. Until now, and we have, for example, the last 5 months we grew at around 10% per month. Actually, we already had some investors from England. Mm-hmm. And investors from Costa Rica as well.
Okay, so you guys are beyond the seed stage, so you guys are already well on your way. Now we're here in Cartagena at the Customer Experience Summit. You guys are a new sponsor. Why did you decide to participate in this event, and how has it been for you so far?
Yeah, I think that we are disrupted in everything, including we are disrupted making one of the first startup here in this event. Mm-hmm. And we are basically one of the biggest sponsors as well. Mm-hmm. Because we want to grow and we want to accelerate our growth, and for that we need to invest and put our brand, and everybody knows about our brand, and we are doing it in that way. We are growing in disruptive way because we are very aggressive as well.
What's your website? How can people contact you?
WeKall.co.
Okay, WeKall spelled with a K.
That's right.
Okay, not C.
You can see in wherever you can see there. For example,
I don't know if the screen can see that.
But you can see here.
All right.
Nice.
Okay, WeKall. Okay, wonderful. Well, Fabian, thank you so much for your time. It's really cool because we see a lot of businesses from Medellin and a lot of businesses from Bogota. So it's always cool when we see the Caleños showing up and doing their part as well.
We are the biggest startup in Cali, and we expect really, I feel from my heart that we want to create an ecosystem into a region. The most, I don't know, many other startups start operation in Cali and generate employees. Really, my passion and my purpose is generate employees.
That's really cool. That's great to see. It's great to see that and not just in a Colombian company, but in a Vallecacona company as well.
That way,
So,
sir.
Fabian, thank you so much for your
Really
time.
appreciate it.
I hope to come and visit you in Cali soon.
I hope.
Wonderful.
Our office is for your office as well.
Come to Medellin anytime you want.
Okay.
Okay,
See you,
thank you.
Medellin.